Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So today we're making pozole, red pozole. Super easy to make, guys. So I got some pork butt right here. Just trying to look through it. See if I have a more fat that I need. There's some right here. We're gonna go ahead and trim this off. I don't need too much on it because it has plenty already.
He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch.
So here's a pork butt. I already cut it up in some manageable pieces. Got about 7 pounds. And I also got some ribs at the butcher shop. I got 5 pounds. Let me tell you guys something. Ribs changes the whole game when it comes down to pozole. You got 2 different types of meat. Not only that, anything with the bone just comes out with more flavor. We're gonna go ahead and add this to the pot. Let me show you what that looks like. So I have about 30 cups of water in there. It just depends on how much you guys are making. I like making a lot. You know, leftovers are always the best. We're gonna add a whole head of garlic and a half an onion. I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt, some kosher salt. What do you call that? 2 tablespoons. Add some ground cumin. About a good tablespoon there. The chicken bouillon. Also about a tablespoon. Let's go ahead and give this a mix. As this comes up to a boil, I'm gonna be skimming some of this off. See the foam that's in here? I'll be skimming some of this off. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, put a lid on it. We'll come back. This should be ready 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours. While this is cooking, let's start on the salsa. We're gonna have 8 chile guajillo, 6 chile pasilla. And top it all off, we're gonna have chile California. And I will add this whole entire bag, which is half of the bag, because of the other half I used on the tamales. Pretty straightforward and simple. It's real easy to do. So all we do is just break them open. We're gonna take all the seeds out, just like that. You can wear gloves if you want. You're sensitive to the chile. Come in here, devein them. It's pretty simple. Just like this. Make sure you rinse your chiles under cold water, because sometimes they do carry dirt. Same with here with the pasilla. Take out the seeds. We just want the good part. So this is what I have here. All I did was just boil this in water while I rinsed them. Then I boiled it in water. They're just sitting here getting rehydrated. That's all we want. Just ladle some pork stock into the blender. The total ingredients is going to be a half of a large onion. Just go ahead and put that in there. We got 6 garlic cloves. We got our chiles over here. We're gonna use chicken bouillon. Half a tablespoon of cumin. Some Mexican oregano, heaping tablespoon of that. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. We're gonna put it through the strainer. This is what it looks like. This is 2 batches that I've been straining here. pulled out the rib meat only. So at this point, I just want to fish out the bones, just like this. You don't want to be chewing on bones. Just fish them out just like this. You can wait until it cools down. For me, I'm pressed on time today. It's Christmas Eve, by the way. So just like this. I kind of shredded the meat. I like my pozole nice and chunky. I really don't like it that shredded. This meat is not, it's fully cooked. It's gonna cook for another hour or so. But I did pull out all the cartilage and most of the bones. So here's that garlic head. We're gonna just go ahead and squeeze the rest in there. We're gonna add the rest of the pork. Be very careful. And at this point, we're gonna add all our salsa. It's already strained. We're gonna go ahead and add this big can of Juanita's hominy. Let me open this up. I'm gonna drain it, rinse it, and put it in the pot. Gonna look good.
Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes.
Pozole is ready, guys. This bad boy has been cooking for the last 3.5 hours. No salt was needed. I tried it. The only thing that was missing, I forgot about it, was the bay leaves. So add 2 to 3 bay leaves. Check it out. There go chunks of meat, huh? What I did is came in here and I skimmed a lot of the fat that was on the surface. So this is how you do it. Gently push down and you'll get most of the fat. And just go around and ladle all the fat out. I kid you not, I took about 4 or 5 cups worth of fat out. So let me go ahead and serve myself. Pieces of carne in there. Here's some caldito. Fire, guys. Oh, spoon tender. Mi bomb. Another cacho. Just breaks apart, guys. A lime in mine. Bit of cabbage. Not much, just to provar. Little pinch of cilantro. And we'll put some rábanos, aka radishes. Salud. It's just going for a bite. Let's see here. Cheers. Damn. I got one more bite, guys. The meat falls apart in your mouth. That second bite I got was a rib meat. It was even more tender than the pork butt. Hands down, guys. You guys must try this recipe. Pozole rojo. Absolutely delicious. You guys have to try this. Today is Christmas Eve. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas from my family to your family. And may the Lord bless you with everything you ask for in His name. And tomorrow is His birthday, so happy birthday, Jesus. Well, thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'll see you guys next week. And if you're new to my channel, please consider to hit that subscribe button. It would help my channel out tremendously. And thank you guys. I appreciate for you guys watching me. Pozole rojo bomb. Thank you guys. Gracias. I'll catch you guys next Friday.